7,000 people, and we're not on the right track, says people who voted today. And
This is an Alberta emergency alert. The city of Grande Prairie is issuing a 911 service outage alert. This alert is in effect for Northwest Alberta. Grande Prairie 911 is currently experiencing technical difficulties and is unavailable. Telus is investigating. This outage affects the ability to call 911 on both cell phones and landlines. Residents in the affected area may not be able to get through when dialing 911. Please stay on the line if you receive a recording message. If your call disconnects, please try again. In the case of an emergency, go to your local emergency services, RCMP, EMS, fire station, building to report it. Staff there will be able to assist you. To report any fires, please call GP9-1-1 Fire Dispatch 780-538-0393. To report a medical emergency, please call 780-624-3911. To report a police emergency, please call 780-310-7267.
validating the axis of their campaign.